Vawiin September ni kuwa sang ni somni pathum inren ni hian Morocco 6.8 magnitude na in lirnghinga mi za thum borvel mithi omin mi za somnga chuang chin hriat loin an om mek ania he lirnghing hian building tam tak chu soi che in an nun phungpon a tor pha in an khosak pawh a buai phah hle ania an khawngaihthlak takzet ani.
6.8 magnitude earthquake hits Morocco. The country's interior minister reports almost 300 people died in the area of the quake and more than 150 others are hurt. The U.S. Geological Survey says this earthquake registered, as mentioned, at a magnitude of 6.8. People who live in Marrakesh, where the quake hit, say many buildings have crumbled, as you can see by these images here, and just crashed to the ground. We, of course, will monitor this story all weekend long and update you as we get more information.